Changing your Gmail account involves either updating your current account settings or creating a new one. If you want to change your email address but keep your account, Google allows you to modify certain aspects of your profile. However, you cannot directly change the email address associated with a Gmail account. Instead, you can create a new Gmail address and link it to your existing account. To start, go to your Google account settings and navigate to the Personal Info section. Here you can update your name, recovery email, and phone number, which helps keep your account secure and accessible. If you prefer a new email address, you can create a completely new Gmail account by visiting the Gmail sign-up page and following the instructions. Once your new Gmail account is set up, you can transfer emails and contacts from the old one. Google offers tools that allow you to import emails from another Gmail account, making the transition smoother. Afterward, you can choose to forward emails from your old Gmail to your new one, or notify your contacts about the change. If you want to delete your old Gmail account, you can do so by visiting the Google account settings and selecting the Delete Your Google Account option. Be sure to back up any important information before proceeding with deletion.